Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Artificial intelligence is an incredibly exciting yet complex field with a ton of terms and concepts. In today's video, we are going to clearly explain and differentiate between narrow AI, artificial general intelligence or AGI, artificial superintelligence or ASI. These concepts are all related but have some key differences. Understanding these AI categories and capabilities will give you a solid framework for understanding the current state of the art and future potential. From Siri to self-driving cars to machines that might one day surpass human intelligence, we've got a lot to cover. The goal is to make these advanced AI topics very easy to understand regardless of your technical background. So get ready to have all your questions answered about artificial intelligence. Let's get into it. Number 1. AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is the ability of computer systems to perform tasks and make decisions that would normally require human intelligence and perception. AI works by using algorithms that allow software and machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions. The algorithms get better through a process of training on large amounts of data. For example, a speech recognition AI is fed hours and hours of human speech data. It learns to recognize speech patterns and correlations between sounds and the words they form. This allows it to process and translate speech into text. AI powers many common technologies today. Smart assistants like Siri use AI to understand voice requests and respond appropriately. Facebook uses AI to recognize faces in photos and make suggestions on who to tag. Netflix and Amazon use AI to understand viewer preferences and recommend new movies and products based on interests. Self-driving cars use various AI techniques like computer vision and sensor fusion to navigate safely. AI is getting better at specialized tasks like these every day. But AI lacks true intelligence. These systems don't have general reasoning, logic, common sense, or consciousness like humans. Number 2. AGI. The next frontier in AI research is achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This refers to AI that can understand and reason across different contexts, display problem-solving skills, and operate on the same level as the human mind. AGI would be able to reason, plan, and solve problems across any domain. Not limited to pre-programmed tasks. Understand nuance, subtext, and subtle meaning in language and communication. Apply knowledge and skills flexibly between different situations. Learn quickly from limited information and experiences. Imagine an AI assistant that could have an in-depth debate about politics, philosophize about the meaning of life, then help cook a brand new recipe it found online. That's AGI. Many researchers are working towards this goal by advancing AI capabilities in areas like common sense and reasoning, imagination and creativity, self-supervised learning, memory and knowledge representation, transfer learning, curiosity and exploration. Some real-world trends in AGI. The development of large language models, LLMs, are a type of AI that is capable of generating human-quality text. LLMs are being used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, machine translation, and text analysis. The increasing availability of data, the amount of data that is available to AI systems is increasing exponentially. This is making it possible for AI systems to learn more and perform tasks more effectively. The debate over the ethics of AGI. As AGI becomes more powerful, there is a growing debate about the ethics of its use. Some people are concerned that AGI could be used to create autonomous weapons or to discriminate against certain groups of people. The possibilities of AI are endless. We're already seeing it transform industries from transportation to healthcare, security, manufacturing, and more. As AI continues advancing, it will alter society in profound ways. Regardless, AGI remains the next grand challenge for AI researchers around the world. Its realization could profoundly impact humanity. Number 3. ASI. Artificial superintelligence, or ASI, refers to the hypothetical concept of AI. ASI is a type of AI that is designed to be able to surpass human intelligence in every way. ASI would be able to learn and understand information at a much faster rate than humans, and it would be able to solve problems that are currently beyond human capabilities. ASI would work by using algorithms to analyze data and learn from it. The more data that an ASI system is exposed to, the better it would become at learning and performing tasks. While AGI would rival a human mind, ASI would far exceed it in potentially every way. Processing speed: ASI could think and learn millions of times faster than humans. Intelligence: ASI could be vastly more intelligent and solve problems humans can't comprehend. Creativity: it may have enhanced creativity, strategy, and imagination beyond our wildest dreams. Knowledge: ASI could feasibly read and absorb all human knowledge near instantaneously. Capabilities: it could master every skill and domain, from medicine to engineering to social skills. The extent of possibilities with ASI: like discover new revolutionary science and technology, provide solutions to climate change, hunger, poverty, and more, develop wondrous new art, music, literature, and culture, and many more. ASI does not exist today, and it remains speculative if it ever will. Some argue ASI is inevitable if AGI is achieved. Others contend it may not be feasible or controllable. There are also major ethical questions about how advanced AI could impact society. Regulation and safeguards may be needed to guide the development of superintelligent systems. The potential promises and perils of ASI illustrate why thoughtful governance of AI progress is so important for our future. But possibilities of AGI and ASI are endless. What you think about these technologies, tell me in comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be releasing more videos soon explaining other complex tech topics clearly and interactively. Check out some of my other videos on artificial intelligence. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions I can answer or AI topics you want explained. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.